Via Kamal ka Noor Online TV channel bana rajme bana jaling raj bana kwen gwasame raj me shalat lakir ma yadi tenetin kontilet ka airport dung sa Sudan kenetin kontila kwar shaka gar jandana bana ling bana shoot ken bana kaling bane kan kono ni am ni jiram jidit kan Noor Online TV channel goraje en wo jender je nyaka nasin ko ken ke jin ba der subscribe kan Noor Online TV channel ko blaren content ba non ka bikan shamala shuko jika pet an ler balin gwasame mishala no kirma yadit chenetin let gwas ren yali ka so Sudan chaka gar bana shoot ken bana kalinkel kanetin content che shoot ken chaka gar kenetin chaka rishonat gera no painat chaka mo kaneti koken aneti content let airport Juba International Airport ala kwaran kona latin chala do chaka gar karoj michalat ka South Sudan television ka dobo dan gar nat ka ngai kon no en self ke mi yadit jojane ita ngwana long ko gore jano balanani ti jidiane te dong de which de kana ladeka ke South Sudan shangna man point da ba shadi je chakalat dio je ngode we kam gore dobo dan der South Sudan der je teka ja gwasame bana wuka shune ten kon tin chakwan ne te wal chuman ne tin kon tin pai kwan shalat gwasame ne sha board of director dung South Sudan Civil Aviation Authority she president dung South Sudan shakagar and board of director of Makelo she South Sudan Civil Aviation Authority shaka watch kachane de kokian chakalat gwanne ken kanedi titi bi ashot ken lingwado me kanedi content cha kwan bu kon ka linken ko gor kono no bana shonen kono cha kwan bana kaling no gwasa me ne de kono cha kwan gati raman yam gwasa me ramdana chairperson ka aviation authority kenedi content let ka til la kwar re Juba International Airport General Agasio Tonga Call Jaramadan la chairperson chajawu jarama me cha General Akol Korkush members nijan ka Juba International Airport rewi ka South Sudan kelio chajawu ka dobrana chalat kaja cha General Thomas Duop members chajawu Thomas Duop me wunwara chajawu ba kajan gwaren yalna wala gwadan lereten General Yen Makwach member jaja nyokomu wojaja ka Juba International Airport gwa kwar man tetin member janbona General Malek Ruben jaja nyokomu wojaja Captain David Subek secretary ba jaja watch and gwa the me janetin kon tin la kwar tin pai la rech kaneti ti ta shirkin chagalat gwasam ba rame shala Addis Ababa uto jara mran chairperson jajalat gwad General Agasio Tong Akol jen chairperson tam jara mran cha kwan ka Juba International Airport ne de kona ta kalwang ka nyure ren yalle ki ta dana let ren yalle ka jara wi ka South Sudan she under secretary Minister of Transport jajan yok baka mu kwanya ja kan shoda kan lat gwasme she commander head of legal team member jajan yok baka mu gere ja Maria Lotwa member representing business management jaja kwany bo halaram kel mu bilet gwasmone a representative of ISB and SS member jaja yok mu kwanya jaba South Sudan People Defense Force Air Force Commander Brigadier General Garang Deng Dor jaja kwany bola member bo ka netin contemporary kwany che John Oja Elina Director General jaja kwany la jaram dan la secretary kanedi titi ne yin gati kanedi konan pai kwany te pingwa same kelo wona ka baro che netin content ni am gwama la former board member Chaka Watch kanedi tine jan dobo dan charaka ja ka South Sudan Broadcast Corporation and Television and Andre which ka Juba chane de to chut ken chakala no chaka wot ka chagwat ken chaka moy kana shirka mi shalinga ajala dan gorno de nyoga yekel no shikir mi yadit chane de kontilat ka juba international airport re wika so sudan kelu chaka gar kane de kokien Kir is looking for a solution chak mengai kona lanit kokien la the guastien jando brana shalat keja ajala dan goro jan wode nyoga yekel kwaje goro no via subscribe ki via notification bell via jetwan ko mite ler mi ben bien inshallah jek via takaman